Hey guys, Jordan Klekot here, and today, as you can see, Apple product. This is a refurbished wireless keyboard. I'm not going to talk a ton because I am in a hurry, so I'm just going to put all that boring talking, whoops, sorry about that, in the video description. My tripod's having some issues, but I noticed there's barely any refurbished ones online, so you can see those unboxed, so I figured I might as well just put this one up here. So here's this. I do have the extended wired version, and the cables were just driving me crazy for when I'm trying to keep a clean desk. So let's go ahead and get this. This is the keyboard itself. Wow, very thin for a wireless keyboard. Of course, I have the wired version, so I am used to the thinness. Set that aside for a second. In here we have our manual. Go ahead and slide this off, if possible. There we go. Our manual, warranty, Bluetooth stuff. Whoa. This side we have a bag that did hold the batteries. 3 Energizer batteries. Apple sends good stock batteries because all my batteries I put in their products suck. So, set that aside again and bring in the actual keyboard. And flip this over. Wow. And there you go. Very small, very thin, everything. Stay tuned for a review, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.